Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actions now. Make sure your watch model supports the NFC feature, wrist detection is on, and a passcode is set. This enables secure NFC use. Once done, open Wallet or the specific app you'll use, or put the watch near the NFC tag. Position the watch's display toward the tag. Don't rush, because proximity and orientation matter. You're now ready to initiate a read or tap action and see the watch prompt or vibrate. Now you'll execute the core interaction step by step. Position the watch face about 1 to 2 centimeters from the tag or terminal and hold still. If nothing happens, adjust angle slightly because the antenna alignment affects reads. When a prompt appears, approve it. Double-click the side button for Apple Pay, enter your passcode if asked, or accept the app's confirmation. Make sure the watch app stays open when required. After authorization, expect a short vibration and an on-screen success message before you move. Finish by verifying the action completed. Check Wallet, the app log, or the device's history for confirmation. If you don't get a success alert, try simple fixes. Toggle airplane mode briefly, restart the watch, and then retry the tap. Make sure wrist detection and the passcode are still enabled because security settings block NFC otherwise. If problems persist, update watchOS and repair the watch with your iPhone as a last resort. This often clears stubborn configuration or Bluetooth-related issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.